Hello and welcome to today's video. I am Shamaki and this is Elijah Special. So to continue what we've done from our last class, we're going to be looking at how to create Parcel Fabric using ArcGIS Pro. Alright, so the last video we look at how to do that using ArcGIS Desktop. So today we'll be looking at how to do it on ArcGIS Pro. Alright, so we still are going to maintain our Abuja folder, but this time around we will just name it Abuja with another thing. Alright, so to create a geodatabase here, because first what you need to do is to create a geodatabase, right? So to do that, here we will fly down to right click, go to new, and we will come down to file geodatabase, because basically on ArcGIS Pro, I think two things have been removed. One of which is one thing actually, the personal geodatabase, because everything here consumes quite a number of space. I guess that's maybe the reason why they removed that. But I think show file is still here. So they've removed personal geodatabase, but we still have file and it has been replaced with a mobile geodatabase. So alright, so file geodatabase, and it has created, I guess, but let's watch. Okay, so here is it as created. We could right click and do a rename as well. So we just name it ABJ. Sorry. Yeah, we already have that. So that we can have, this is also a file database, so we can still use this to do whatever we want to do. But I wanted to show you how you can create a file database here. All right, that's why I did that. So you right click on it and you go to new, then you create a future data set, which is literally just over the same thing. But for you to do that, you have to go to your catalog tab, and then when you click, it takes you to your geoprocessing. Here it's geoprocessing that it moves it to, but on the other one, everything been done on the catalog without you noticing that it has moved to geoprocessing. But here you have to see it like that. So the name will be ABJ as well. So just the ABJ parcel or something, anything. All right. So now it's asking you for coordinate system. So the coordinate system, let's come here to give it a coordinate system of our choice, because this one is an auxiliary coordinate system, which is also WGS. So to do that, we could just easily search for MENA zone 32. It will work. MENA zone 32. Yes, it's under projected coordinate system. So let's click. Sorry, I don't know why it's not showing, but it's supposed to have shown. But then without searching, we can actually go to find it for ourselves, right? But I just wanted to search, so let's do that. So let's do that by coming up here. We'll be able to make selection of what we want. So we have UTM, we have Africa, and let's go down to getting our MENA zone 32. All right, so MENA zone 32, yes. So we could also put this on February. That's what I just did. I did it on February. All right, so you click OK. So you see that the coordinate system has changed here to MENA zone 32. So we click on run. All right, so that has run successfully. So you see that it's here. Next is to right click and go to new. Then you will see Parcel Fabric, just as we have it on the other one. So the name is, let's say, Fabric only. All right, so once we have that, we leave every one of these settings the way they are. We click on run. So it's still running. So all right, so it has successfully run. So let's go to catalog. Now once it's successfully run, you have to go back to catalog. All right, so we'll go to catalog and then we check that the fabric is there. Now if you right click on this fabric, now this is another thing that I did not see on ArcGIS desktop, which I believe it's there, but we'll find it. Now when you come to manage, you can be able to add cell type. You can also remove parcel type. All right, so under this new, it can take you to now, but what we want to do here from the parcel fabric, you can, if you come right click and go to manage, you will see that there is a place where you add a parcel type and you also remove a parcel type. So I'm going to add a parcel type. So the name will be, let's use Buhari parcel. Let's just use this like this, and then we click on okay. Now use for administrative boundary. I guess let's read what they're saying there. They say use for administrative boundary optional. Specify whether the parcel type will be used to store parcel with administrative boundary or regular boundary. So if in case you're going to have an administrative boundary, like maybe it's going to be like storing the entire land parcel of a whole local government or a state or the nation as well. So they're just trying to, as far as it's going to have an administrative boundary, you should check this out. Okay, check it, this box, just like I said, check. But if it's just going to be non-administrative, then you can just easily ignore it. So once you have that, you can also go to environment and add one or two things, but that's not our concern right now. We already have everything done, so we just click on run. Now once we click on run, we'll wait for it to finish running. In ArcGIS Pro, you will see a familiar thing instead of OK, like in ArcGIS Desktop, you will see more of run. It's integrating us more into a programming terms, So that's the most common language in ArcGIS Pro. All right, you'll be seeing run instead of I don't know, but it's like this didn't work. Okay, they say already exists, so it has finished. So you see that it has created a parcel type. You can see all the parcel types here, that of line, whatever, administrative point, because I checked that point and all of that. It has added a record, topology, it has added. So basically, this is how you can create a parcel fabric. So how did we, in recap, what did he do? First, we create a file geodatabase, then we create a future data set, then we create the parcel fabric, and then finally we added a parcel type. So let's assume finally let's assume that we want to delete this parcel type we created. So what do? We will come on the fabric, right click on it, go to manage and remove parcel. So once it will bring out which of the parcel that are there. So you select for the name of the parcel. Once you select that, you click on run. So once you click on run, by the time it's done running, when you check, you realize that it has gone. So it's done running. So you see, it's done. That's removed them. So basically, this is how you can do all of this. So I'll see you in the next video where we proceed in this topic. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and leave any of your thought, your understanding on the comment section. The comment section is a learning environment. So I will wait for you at the comment section to see whatever you have for us. So thank you for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.